In this video, we'll see how to add transitions, effects, animation in CapCut. So here I have some video clips which is in my timeline already. So if you see, there is no transitions in it. Those are just plain clips. So to add the transitions, here left side there is option in CapCut transitions. Click on it and there are so many transitions available in CapCut. If I click, I can see the highlights of the transitions, how it will affect once it's applied to the video. So left side here there are other categories also for transitions. Simply the first option, overlay, if I click on it, and it's a black smoke transition. You can see here every transition has name, an icon plus. If you click on it, it will add it wherever your cursor is in that cut point. So we can adjust the timing of the transition as well. If I expand it, the time of the transition will be expand. So if I play it, we can see the effects is slow because the time is more. Second, the time from right side here also I can adjust the time. If I want this transition to be slow, I will increase the time. If I use this transition to apply in all of my clips, then there is one option here which is apply to all. And if I play the video again, you can see the same transition effect is applied to all the clips, which is black smoke transition. And from here I can adjust the duration, as I said, from right side as well, or you can just expand the clip. That is also option to increase the duration for transition. Many transition options are available. Like if I click on camera and you can see pull in, this is left, then shake. Once I click on it, I can see the preview of the transition. And if I go to the blur, click on plus, now wherever my cursor is in which clip, so that old transition will be changed by the new transition. Like previously here the smoke transition which I added, now if I click on transition and if I click on this plus icon, it will be replaced to the old transition. Now you can see it's new transition effects. So this is one picture, actually all others I have clips. If I click on it, this is the split, and if I add this to my timeline, this is how it will looks like. Then mask. CapCut is giving some easy options to find out the transitions, and there are many transitions are available which is required for video editing effects, and it's super. This is flame. So here is a blink transition. If I click on it, see how, and if I increase the duration for it, it will be the slowly it's showing. If you go here left side, there is one option effects, and left side here again there are categories. If I click on any effect, immediately I can see the preview how the effect can be looks like. So if I click on plus icon, the effect immediately will be applied wherever your cursor is, and we can adjust it as well. I can increase the time for this effect, so from start to until the end of the clip. And now if I play for this particular clip, see the camera effect is like a recording. This effect is showing. So here now I selected this clip and I'm searching for effects. In low there are so many categories here. Let's say if I click on it, it's look good. So if I add this effect to this clip, now I will expand it, the time I will increase. from start to end until the end of this particular clip. So I play. This is how first the transition, and then when you start playing the clip, like for this, if I select on this old movie clips, and if I play, this is how it looks like. 1998 is written for these effects, and it's in the TV category. Now if I come here to split, click on split, see the one picture is splitted to the 1 2 3, it's like 9 pictures, and those are the full pictures, and picture is half play full, and then it's play in the 9 pictures, small pictures. Furthermore, we can add multiple effects also in one picture or video clip. If I go to vlog category, there are options again. This TV, camcorder, so many. If I add this, so this, the person who is playing, and now suddenly he come into an old TV. So this is how we can add the effects, and it's very easy, like just one click, and we can see if it is suitable for that video or no. Accordingly we can keep it, and we can try another one. So likewise, this is my last clip in this video. I am searching for any suitable effects. If I click on it, so you can see this is the return 2024, and these effects are available in this section. If I click on add, the effect is added. Adjust for the clip. If I play the video now, you can see it looks nice. So these are the effects. It affects on the full video clip. And transitions we can add between the video clips, whereas these effects we can add to our full video clips or portion of the video, wherever we want. We can adjust accordingly. But let's say for this clip, again I will add one more. As I said, multiple effects can be applied for one video as well. I will add this one, and I will expand it until the full clip. If I play, this is how this video will look like. Now we'll see how to add animation. Come to the animation option. You can see there is option animation. Click on it, and then there is option in, out, and combo. In, if I click on fade in, zoom, so whatever I click, that effect is already applied. Here there is no option to add. Once you click, then that effect is applied. Down here we can adjust the time for that effect. So for this animation, like it was previously 0.5 second, now I make it 1 second, so it is bit slower. Same I can apply for the out, another effect. Like previously I apply for in, that is how when the video will start, it will apply there, and now this is for out. Again I will increase the time, and if I play now, you can see for in this clip no effect, but for out we apply this effect. So there are some effects available for out also. Then one more option is combo. If I click on combo, and if I select any animation, so this animation effect will be applied to start and end portion, both portion. Like when the video start and when the video end, the same effect will be applied for the start and end, both side. I will keep this one for this clip, and every animation has name, and we can apply animation also for half clip or full clip, or wherever which portion we want, which portion of the video we want that animation, we can apply accordingly at the start, end. Then next is filter. We'll see how to add filters for our clips. So filter means whatever video, like if it is shooted in daytime, so if I apply the night or dark filter, so it will be looks like that. So these are the filter option in CapCut. Once I click on add, see for this picture, this video clip, previously it was little bit brighter. Now once I apply this, it looks darker and somehow smooth. If I make it short, then see, first it's brighter, and once from where the filter is applied, it's become dark. Same for all the clips, we can add the filter. Like this is more bright, and if I click on this blue gray filter, now green yellow, you can see how it's changing the effects. So this is how we can add the filter. And left side here some categories, and this is the black and white, like tunnel. See, the brighter video immediately become black and white video. If I click on this lost forest, it's become a bit blue. Then sunset, ghost, blue gray, and there are many. You can search these filters whatever suitable. And if I apply this black and white, I'll apply this because it's giving us the effect, how it's showing the effect immediately. So here I will adjust on the clip, and if I play the clip, I will not adjust here to the full clip because we want to see how the filter can change the video. And now it's play with the brighter, and then suddenly it become black and white. So this is how we can add the filters also for our videos and photos in CapCut. So if I play this video from start, then this is how our video will looks like. See the transitions, filters, effects and animation which we applied. So now I will export this video, and the setting is already, I will go with default setting which I am using. Click on export, and now our video will export. After we'll see how it looks like in full screen. So now the video is exported, and I will open it in my computer. If I open this one, now you can see in full screen. Here it is, somehow it's good to see how this applied in our clips. So thanks for watching. This is how we can do in CapCut easily. It's not required that much effort because I am making some basic videos. So for those, this CapCut is very easy to use, very easy video editor available.